A new exhibition at Kostka Galerie tonight with guest artists from London, and I would just like to ask you what was the main inspiration for this project. You're presenting sculptures and photographs, and what was the main theme?
It's kind of a lot of things, but it's basically just a kind of, I'm trying to explore this connection between what is deeply human about trying to understand like the unfathomable and trying to understand stuff that is essentially ununderstandable. Yeah, I'm just trying to kind of expose the part of the human mind, I think, or trying to expose the part of the human mind that is involved when you're trying really hard to, even if you're like a Native American in the desert carving constellations into a rock face, or you're a sort of scientist carving constellations into pieces of aluminium, like this plate is that is essentially what that is. It's a series of constellations that someone has drilled in with a robot, and it's the same kind of process. I just sort of thought that was a nice point to start from, and then make a series of works.
Where did you initially find out about the Sloan Digital Sky Survey? That is like one of the keys to the exhibition, this digital mapping of the universe.
Yeah, on TV.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw a kind of really interesting documentary where this was a small part of it, and I just loved that idea of sort of the simplistic kind of interface with a piece of metal. And that is
So and then it made you travel and document this process.
Yeah, well, I wrote to the organisation the endeavour, and I said like, can you like let me come and see? And they gave me some money to come and sort of just explore what they do.
Amazing. And how long did it take you to prepare the entire project?
The entire project's been about a year in total, but I was only in America for like a month and a bit. Just sort of going to see Indian reservations and all the old observatories that they used to have in the desert plains and in the canyons, and then at the same time going to the new observatories, sort of which look down onto this sort of desert basin where all these old observatories are, and kind of like just trying to collect information.
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.